In 2025, ClickUp, Asana, Monday.com, Trello, and Wrike are leading project management tools. The PM software market is valued at over $15 billion globally. These platforms are used by teams of all sizes for task tracking, collaboration, and automation. All tools have AI-driven enhancements and expanded integrations due to the remote work revolution. Market adoption is surging, with PM tools seeing 25% YOY growth. Each tool offers unique approaches that set them apart in project management. ClickUp combines everything in a customizable workspace, integrating tasks, documents, and timelines into one unified platform. Asana focuses on task dependencies and workload views, helping teams balance resources and track progress effectively. Monday.com uses visual boards for custom workflows, ideal for creative and marketing teams needing flexible project structures. Trello offers simple Kanban boards, perfect for teams that prefer straightforward visual task management. Wrike excels with Gantt charts and request forms, providing detailed timelines and streamlined workflows for complex projects. Trends emphasize AI integration for task automation and predictive analytics, reducing administrative workload. Remote collaboration features like virtual whiteboards are increasing, supporting hybrid work environments. The future outlook predicts market growth to $25 billion by 2027, with AI-first designs led by ClickUp and Monday.com. However, data privacy concerns and integration fatigue remain significant challenges for these tools.